I'm a youth worker and Erasmus Plus changed my life. At a certain point, I realized that I wanted to spread the message. I wanted that all the youth workers, all the students, everyone knew about the Erasmus projects and how this could also impact their lives. The chance to join Eurolibrary 2.0 project here in Greece, a project with the aim to call attention for youth workers. We are now going to share with you the steps that we took to retain and call for people to join our human library. Since our target group were students and young workers, we had to approach stakeholders, go to schools, go to different cities. We found the best form of commuting: camper vans. Each team from our group had a 4-wheel home for 4 days, which was essential to give us freedom to move and invite people from different locations to our human library event. It was crucial to arrive earlier, set up the chairs, the banners, the tent. Luckily, we also had some skilled people in the group with some great promotion skills, or that at least could blow up some balloons. It was also super important to have a menu of stories with a summary and in both Greek and English. To make sure people are involved and getting the message, it's important to ask for feedback. So we made sure people would share how they feel. It was great to see the excitement of locals, to see how they were happy that a bunch of people from all over Europe were in their hometown, in their city. So this is our story of how in this project we engage with youth, with people, with locals, but also how we connected better with ourselves. Are you ready to tell our story?